Oh, hello guys, so welcome to Unbox News. A nice episode this time. We are in Paris, me and my twin, and he's inside playing. But anyway, there is the Huawei first flagship store in Paris, the city of love. Yes, anyway, so he did an interview with Mr. Francois, who was so kind enough to allow us to do an interview and tell us about the store. You'll get all the interviews, all the details, and we met someone from Leica, Huawei cameras are from Leica, and he gave us like some details. I will give it to you in few seconds. So I went out from the parking space, and first that I see is the Apple Store. From the Apple Store it's around 500 meters. That was so amazing. So they chose really a nice spot. So of course with a long line waiting at 5 p.m. they opened the store. So of course this is a very nice design. It is on 2 floors with small upper space at the second floor. So first thing that you see at the entrance is a nice lines of LEDs coming from the second floor going down to the first, while at the entrance. And just right under this LEDs you can see the latest, most amazing Porsche design with the red covers on the side and black glossy line still on the back but at the middle of the phone. This is quite a nice phone. The lighting is really relaxing. For me, when you go in the store with technology, the lighting is really important. So on the side you can see some stainless steel surrounding some shelves, and you can see the Bluetooth speaker, for example, and some nice water bottle custom made for the flagship store in Opéra, Paris, and some other latest technology that they created. On the second floor you can see some couch with a nice relaxing couch when people they can sit and try the phone or wait. And of course you have a customer service on the upper level, so it's all in one place. What I saw on the second floor is Huawei Watch GT 2 and Sport, where you can have a lot of different colors, materials for your watch. They installed an amazing 2-seat VR. Well, it was kind of fun seeing these people playing. But anyway, these glasses are very thin, not big as VR. I was amazed. And of course, I saw this Mate 30 Pro. I just wanted to test this volume. And as you can see at the double touch on the side, and then you slide to volume up and volume down, that's quite nice. And just right next to the customer services, they installed 3D map with a 3D to Eiffel Tower, where you can test the night mode, you can test the zoom mode at up to 50x, and then the wide angle test. We tried it. You don't have to go so far from your subject to take it. So of course this is not the first and only flagship store in Paris. Of course there will be another one in France, which is confirmed. Another one in Paris, not sure. Oh, by the way, I was so excited to take hand on the Huawei Mate XS, but of course you can't. It was like, no, you cannot go and see it. Let's see now the interview. In Paris this time, and we are at the opening of the flagship, the first flagship in France. And we have Mr.
François from Huawei France, and welcome here. So 800 meters square dedicated to Huawei devices and to entertainment. So hope you like it.
Yes, of course. So when I entered this flagship store for the first time, after a long waiting line, that was worse than it's deserved. But when you enter this flagship first store in France,
I was amazed, honestly, because there's like some on the internet they say like it looks like Apple Store, but honestly it definitely doesn't look like Apple Store, right?
By fact, it doesn't look like any other store. Like here, you are in a pure mix of technology, of what of the architecture code of Paris. So you see some simple moulure, the floor which is a wood floor, you have marble on the table, you have all the products in a really luxury cases. So to really step the technology back into the luxury.
Yeah, very nice design. Okay, let's move to the technology that you showed in this flagship store. So I entered again. So I saw the watch. The new. There is the free buds. This is amazing. I love them so much. And I did unboxing, by the way, with my twin, which is like. Anyway, we don't care about him, alright? Okay. Just me. Yeah, he's not. I always fly. Anyway, so and I see the Mate 30, and I wanted to try, you know, the double tap, the volume, and I was amazed. It was the most amazing. And you didn't allow us, like I was expecting to see it, like the Mate XS. Why we cannot like test it?
Yeah, because just few devices are there. And they are all luxury stands.
Yes,
so
true.
That's really important for us as well to highlight our products. But we highlight not only Mate XS instead. Yeah, but we also have, for example, I don't know if you've seen the Mate 34 Porsche design.
Yes, of course.
With the red laser on the back.
Yes.
So all devices on Huawei, every color, every single devices, every single color, even the red ribbon.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah. So everything is here on the watch.
Yes, definitely. So thank you so much for this.
Thank you very much.
And guys, of course you will enjoy.
Please come to see us.
And the person that you're seeing now on screen, my twin, he did kind of interview, but he's not allowed really to come on the camera unless it's like B-rolls, like you're seeing now. He's the representative of Leica. Yeah, you know Leica. How are we? Cameras are from Leica. Yeah, that was nice. He was talking for 2 hours, 3 hours, but he didn't do anything else than giving you the best information, the best footage for the opening of Huawei. So guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Let's see my twin. I want to show you my twin in vacation, what he does, and then hope to see you very soon. If you're not a subscriber of the YouTube, yeah, you should do it, because we're coming back for a new unboxing with a new setup, new videos, a new kind of style of videoing. Thank you for watching and see you very soon.